Hello, welcome to the Green Pioneer Solutions Setup Guide. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the guide I'm making here for setup. Better yet, I think it's over here. So, the reason why I made this was because the other day, all of a sudden, things stopped working on me, and I couldn't explain it. You know, a lot of developers can probably relate here, and you try the newest versions of code, apps, frameworks, libraries, whatever it might be, and eventually you're bound to run into some new issue, some potentially even a beta issue that you just didn't foresee coming. And that's what happened to me. Is I started downloading and using all these new versions of things, and to the point where I got all of a sudden Skype stopped working. I was like, what? I can't even talk to someone on Skype now? What happened? And no one found a bug on that. There was nothing on GitHub, nothing on Google. Couldn't find a single thing about it. So I was just like, okay, I guess I can't use Skype now. So what am I going to do? Tried downloading, re-downloading, nothing worked. Next thing you know, my Selenium server, and for those of you who write automated test cases, you know what I'm talking about with Selenium server, you have to have all the Java files downloaded. I had everything up to date, and next thing you know, it stops working. And I'm like, okay, well, let me try different versions. Nothing. And the more I tried, the more it got worse. The different errors I got, the more none of it made sense. I was like, all right, you know, maybe I should do something about this soon. And then finally the last straw hit. And there were some other ones that I'm not covering, but the last big straw, which was, next thing you know, I can't text or call off my computer anymore, and which that is my most favorite feature on my MacBook, is that at the same time my phone and iWatch are over there, I can call and do stuff from my MacBook over here, and that is by far my favorite feature. That stopped working too, so I was like, all right, that is the last straw. I am done. I am going to figure this out, or I'm just going to wipe it. Lo and behold, I wiped it. So I had to wipe the thing, and well, I thought this is as good a time as any to ever document what I do and why I do it, how I set it up, what are all the links. And there's more to come on this guide, but I've at least set it up right here for now. I'll draw a link to it and I'll show you guys. But I put all the downloads down for now, and I'm going to go into more detail later about why and how I use each thing and how to set it up, and then how it all works together. What's the end game, you know? What does it do for me? And especially with, I know I have a lot of MeanStackJS developers on this channel, so I'll definitely even show you how do I streamline my dev process with MeanStack. That's one of the reasons I created it. And at the same time, if you're new to development, this will help you get set up pretty quickly and show you how I set up my MacBook. And at the same time, I'll drop the links for all the Windows and Linux people out there also. So all in all, this was my way to fix my problems as a developer trying all the new stuff. And now I've made sure I have sourced it, stayed up with certain versions, and now everything works again. So I'm going to try to keep it that way. I'm also going to try to keep everybody up to date on how I set up a computer. It's really easy, really straightforward. I don't try to do anything crazy with it, but I hope you enjoy this guide for those of you out there who are watching this and then made it this far in the video. So check it out. Let us know how it goes. Feel free to drop an issue or a pull request, and we're more than happy to communicate and talk about it. So, hey, have a great day.